When most people start homesteading, they make the same mistake. They don't think too small, they think too big. Let's talk about this today.
Survival homestead teaching farm. Hey, hey, bless the dirt, bless the thorn. Survival homestead teaching farm. Oh, oh, we learn to live and live some more. Hard nights, sweet corn, hands rough, hearts warm. Survival homestead teaching farm.
One weekend, homesteaders are planning a chicken coop, planting a massive garden, building raised beds, learning to can, buying goats, installing rainwater collection, and researching solar power, all at the same time. A few months later, they are exhausted, overwhelmed, and wondering if they made a mistake. If that sounds familiar, here's a simple idea that can completely change how you build your homestead. I call it the rule of 3. The idea is simple. Only focus on 3 major projects at a given time. Not 10, not 7, just 3. Why 3? Because resilience isn't built through chaos. It's built through consistency. When you spread your time, money, and energy across too many projects, every project suffers. You start a dozen things, but you don't finish any of them. Half-built fences, unfinished garden beds, tools scattered everywhere, and a growing list of things you'll get to next weekend. That's not resilience, that's stress. Instead, divide your attention into 3 categories. First, choose one new skill you're actively learning. Maybe it's bread baking, maybe it's pressure canning, maybe you're learning to prune fruit trees or make compost. Whatever it is, give yourself permission to become good at just one new skill before chasing the next one. Second, pick one infrastructure project. This is something that improves your homestead for years to come. Maybe it's building a chicken coop, installing a rain barrel system, putting up fencing, creating a root cellar, building raised beds. Infrastructure projects usually take more time and money, so they deserve your focused attention. Third, choose one maintenance or seasonal project. Homesteads always have recurring work. Maybe you are preparing firewood, expanding the garden, repairing equipment, cleaning out the barn. These jobs keep the homestead running smoothly, but they shouldn't compete with half a dozen other major goals. When you limit yourself to these 3 priorities, something interesting happens. You actually finish things. And every completed project builds confidence. Every new skill becomes permanent knowledge. Every improvement makes next season easier. That's what resilience really looks like. Not doing everything, but steadily becoming more capable every year. Think about it this way. A tree doesn't grow every branch overnight. Each year it adds another ring. Those small layers eventually become something incredibly strong. Your homestead works the same way. One completed garden, one successful canning season, one finished fence, one flock of healthy chickens. Those victories stack over time. Another benefit of the rule of 3 is that it protects your budget. It's easy to spend thousands of dollars chasing every exciting project you see online. But when you have only 3 priorities, it's much easier to decide where your money should go. You stop impulse buying tools you'll use someday. You start investing in projects you'll actually complete. The rule of 3 also helps families work together. Everyone knows what's important right now. Instead of 20 unfinished jobs competing for attention, everyone can pull in the same direction. That creates momentum, and momentum is powerful. Now, does this mean you ignore everything else? Of course not. Animals still need feeding. Gardens still need watering. Daily chores never disappear. The rule of 3 applies to your major growth projects, the things that require planning, money, and focused effort. By limiting those projects, you leave enough energy for the everyday work that keeps a homestead alive. Remember, homesteading isn't a race, it's a lifestyle. You're not trying to build your dream homestead by next summer. You're building a place that will serve you and your family for decades. Slow progress is still progress. In fact, slow, steady progress is usually the kind that lasts. So if you're feeling overwhelmed today, take a look at your project list. Ask yourself one simple question. What are the 3 things that matter most right now? Circle those. Put everything else on a future list. Those projects aren't disappearing. They're simply waiting their turn. Your future self will thank you for finishing one meaningful project instead of starting 10 unfinished ones. Because in homesteading, resilience isn't about doing more, it's about doing the right things one season at a time. If you have found this helpful, consider sharing your own rule of 3 in the comments. I'd love to hear what 3 projects you're focusing on this season, and your ideas might inspire someone else who's just getting started. SHTF Survival Homestead Teaching Farm thanks you for watching this video. Please continue to help us help you by liking, sharing, and subscribing.
Survival Homestead.